Hey, what's going on guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can get stickers in Monopoly Go. So, let's start. Completing property sets. Just like in the traditional game, collecting a full set of properties can earn your stickers. In Monopoly Go, completing a set by acquiring all the properties of the same color can often reward you with stickers. Landing on bonus spaces. Monopoly Go typically includes special bonus spaces on the game board. Landing on these spaces can grant you stickers as rewards. These bonus spaces may have unique rules or minigame associated with them. Winning minigames. Monopoly Go often features minigames within the digital environment. Participating in and winning these minigames can earn you stickers. These games may involve tasks like dice rolling, challenges, or strategic decision making. Achieving milestones. Monopoly Go may have specific milestones or objectives for players to accomplish during gameplay. By reaching these milestones, such as accumulating a certain amount of money, building a specific number of houses, or bankrupting opponents, you can earn stickers. Daily rewards and challenges. Many digital versions of board games, including Monopoly Go, offer daily rewards or challenges. By logging in regularly or completing specific tasks or objectives each day, you can earn stickers as a bonus. So there you have it guys, this is how you can get stickers in Monopoly Go. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.